Okay, just changed the oil on my Mazda CX-5, 2023 2.5 non-turbo. M1 108A Mobile 1, plastic gripper for the oil filter, breaker bar to break the oil nut loose, 17 millimeter extender for the oil filter ratchet, 8 millimeter, and a screwdriver, Phillips head thin screwdriver to take two of the clips out. The other two clips are actually screwed in, so you can use the 8 millimeter or a Phillips head screwdriver. That's all you need. Oh, and 4.6 or 7 or 8 quarts of oil. Takes a little more than 4.5, even though it says 3.875. I always put it on level ground and fill it up till the dipstick says it's full.